Hello children, welcome back to our maths period. Today we will continue with the chapter surface areas and volumes with part 4. Okay, so last period if you remember we have started with the exercise 13.1. Is it correct? So today we will continue with the same exercise 13.1 question number 7. In that only question number 7 is left. Correct? So let us continue that this sum is quite big. So I am taking separately only one sum in this period. Okay, so let us see. Shanti sweet stall was placing an order for making a cardboard boxes for packing their sweets. Two sizes of boxes were required. The bigger of dimensions 25 cm into 20 cm into 5 cm. That means length is 25 cm, breadth is 20 cm and height is 5 cm. And the smaller dimensions 15 cm into 12 cm into 5 cm. Similarly here also length is 15 cm, breadth is 12 cm and height is 5 cm. For all the overlaps, 5% of total surface area is required extra. If the cost of cardboard is rupees 4 for 1000 centimeters square, find the cost of cardboard required for supplying 250 boxes of each kind. As I told you, this is a quite lengthy sum. Therefore, first understand the sum. Yes, here in this sum you can see there are two types of boxes. Correct? If we want to make a box, we require the total surface area. Is it correct? So, first further we will see for the smaller box. So, what we will do? First we will find the total surface area. Then when you will make the that total surface, when you will make the box, in that case you require the extra area for overlapping, that is 5%. That means in total surface area we will add this extra area, so that you will get the whole total surface area, or we can say the actual total surface area. Afterwards, this is for one box. Then similarly 250 boxes are given. So multiply by 250 and then find the cost. This is for first box, that is a smaller box. Similarly, we have to do it for the second box, and then finally you add the total to get the total cost. Is it clear? Let us see once again the steps. Yes, what we will do first? For the smaller box, it is given length as 15 cm, breadth as 12 cm and height as 5 cm. Correct? So find the surface area. Here I have written only surface area, but this is what total surface area formula we are applying over here. That is 2 in the bracket LB plus BH plus HL. Then extra area. What is this extra area? Extra area for overlapping, that is 5% of SA. That means what you will do over here? Here in this case you will add 5%. So 5 upon 100 of means multiplication, and that SA value what you will get it over here, and find the extra area. Then find the total surface area. Total surface here area will be what? This surface area plus extra area. So that means this surface area plus extra area, if you add it you will get the total surface area. Is it correct? And this is for one box. So then you find the total surface area of 250 boxes. Is it clear? So this is we are doing the calculation for smaller box. Similarly, we will do it for the bigger box also, because for that box the dimensions are different. Length is 25 cm, breadth is 20 cm and height is 5 cm. Again, we will find the surface area by applying the total surface area formula. Correct? So 2 in the bracket LB plus BH plus HL. Then find the extra area for overlapping, that is 5% of surface area, and then the total surface area is equal to what? The surface area plus extra area, the total will come as your total surface area. Then again this is for your one box. So similarly, by multiplying by 250, find it for 250 boxes. So in this case what we are getting? We are getting the total surface area for 250 small boxes, and here you will get the total surface area of 250 bigger boxes. Now what is the next step? Then you will add it. If you add these two values, you will get the total area, total surface area of both the boxes together. And the next step is find the cost. Are you getting these all the steps clear? So that's why I'm telling you this is quite lengthy. So go slowly, do the calculation properly, you will get the answer. Understanding is very, very important here. So therefore I have given the steps, and this is just for explanation. No need to write it in your answer, because these all the steps we will follow in our solution. Okay. So let us see the solution now. First we will start with the smaller box. For smaller box, what are the given things? Length 15 centimeter, breadth 12 centimeter, and height is 5 centimeter. Is it correct? Yes. So then we will find the surface area of smaller box, that is 2 in the bracket LB plus BH plus HL. Can you see the values? I have substituted all the values. 2 in the bracket 15 into 12 plus 15 into 5 plus 12 into 5. So the remaining steps always first try yours. You pause your video and just try yourself and check the answer. Let us see the calculation now. Yes, 15 into 12. So first, as per the BODMAS rule, we will do the multiplication first. What will be the 15 into 12? 12 5s are 60, carry 6, 12 1s are 6, 12 1s are 12 plus 6 is 18. So you will get it here as 2 in the bracket 180, 15 5s are 75 plus 12 5s are 60. Is it correct? So if you add 180 plus 75 plus 60, what will be the total? So total will be 5, 8 plus 7 is 15, 15 plus 6 is 21, so it will become 315. So you will get it as 2 into 315. So what you will get? 2 5s are 10, 2 1s are 2 plus 1 3, and 3 2s are 6. Answer is 630. Yes, do this all the calculation in rough and check the answer from video. Let us see. Yes, so it is 2 in the bracket 180 plus 75 plus 60. So it is 2 into 315, and the final answer is 630 centimeter square. So what we got this 630 centimeter square as? We got it as a surface area of smaller box. Let us see the next step. Next step is what? We have to find the extra area required for overlapping. So what was that? 5% of total surface area. Is it? Do you remember the steps? Yes, it is 5% of SA. So 5% means 5 upon 100 into SA is, that is 630. If you do the calculation, 0 0 will get cancelled. Then 5 3s are 15, carry 1, 5 6s are 30 plus 1 31 by 10. So answer is 315 by 10 is nothing but 131.5. Is it correct? And we got the same answer over here. Correct. So your answer is 31.5 centimeter square. This value is for what? Extra for overlapping. Now we will add these both the values, 630 centimeter square and 31.5 centimeter square, to get the total surface area. So let us see now the total surface area of one smaller box while considering all overlaps. Means this total surface area of smaller one box as well as what? Adding, including the overlapping. So what you got the answer here? 630 plus 31.5, which is equal to 661.5 centimeter square. So till here, is it clear to all of you what are the steps we have done? First we have find out here as a total surface area, then find out the overlapping area and add the total surface area plus overlapping area to get the total surface area of one smaller box considering the overlap. Is it correct? Let us see the next step. The next is what? Area of cardboard sheet required for 250 smaller boxes. So now 250 boxes, each one smaller box area is 661.5. So if you multiply, you will get the answer as 165375, means what? 1,65,375 centimeters square. So we got this area. So just mark it as step 1. We have done till here. Okay. Now similarly we will do it for the bigger box now. So let us see. For the bigger box, what are the dimensions are given? Yes. The length is given as 25 centimeter, breadth 20 centimeter, height as 5 centimeter. Do you remember the steps for the smaller box? Same steps we have to apply for bigger box also. So the first step will be what? Find the surface area of bigger box. It is actually the total surface area, but we will add the extra overlapping and then we will write it as total surface area. So 2 in the bracket LB plus LH plus BH or BH plus HL, both are nothing but same. Then substitute the values. 2 into 25 into 20 plus 25 into 5 plus 20 into 5. Let us calculate again. Do the calculation. So 2 here, just wait a minute. Here what you will get? 2 in the bracket 25 into 20. 25 2s are 50. So it is 500 plus 25 5s are 125 plus 25s are 100. So 500 plus 125 plus 100. 500 plus 100 is 600. 600 plus 125. 600 plus 100, 700 plus 25. So it will become 2 into 725. Multiply 2 5s are 10, carry 1, 2 2s are 4 plus 1 5 and 7 2s are 14. Is it clear to all of you this calculation? In this whole chapter, the calculation part is very important. You should be very comfortable with all the calculation part. Okay. So let us see once again the calculations. Yes, 25 into 20 is 500 plus 125, that is 25 into 5 and then 20 into 5. So it is 100. Correct. So 525 plus 500 plus 125 plus 100. So and then multiply by 2, you will get the final answer as 1450 centimeters square. What is this value? This is a surface area, the total surface area of one bigger box, excluding the overlapping. Correct. Now we will find the area for overlapping. Okay. So let us see. The extra area required for overlapping is what? 5% of surface area. Do you remember? Yes. So it will become as what? 5%. So 5 upon 100 into 1450. So 0 and 0 will get cancelled. 5 5s are 25, carry 2. 5 4s are 20 plus 2 is 22. 5 1s are 5 plus 2, 7. 7 25 by 10. So you will get the answer as what? 72.5 centimeters square. Total surface area of one bigger box while considering all overlaps. So it will be 1450, that is 1450 plus 72.5. From where we got these both the values? Do you remember? Yes, just cross check once again. Go for back step. Yes, one step back. So you can see over here the surface area is 1450 and here 72.5 centimeter square. Just add these both the values to get the total surface area, and that we got it as 1522 centimeter, 1522.5 centimeter square. Is it correct? Then area of cardboard sheet required for 250 bigger boxes. So here we got that 1522.5 centimeter square for one box. So we will multiply by 250 to get the area of 250 such bigger boxes. And what you get the answer over here? It is 3,80,625 centimeter square. So I have marked it as step 2. In step 1 we got it for the smaller box, and in step 2 we got it the answer for bigger box. See the next step now. The total cardboard sheet required means what here? Including smaller boxes and bigger boxes, both the boxes together. What you will get the answer? 3,80,625 plus 1,65,375. So total will be 5,46,000 centimeters square, the total cardboard area. Correct? Now let us find out the cost. Now what is given? Cost of 100 centimeter square cardboard sheet is rupees 4. Is it correct? So which is given. So the cost of 5,46,000 centimeter square cardboard sheet will be required how much? That is 5,46,000 into 4 divided by 1000, because the value is given for 1000 centimeter square, so we will divide by 1000. If you calculate that, you will get the answer as 2184. That means 2184. So your final answer will be, therefore, the cost of cardboard sheet required for 250 such boxes of each kind will be rupees 2184. You can see this is a whole one sum only, and it will carry minimum 4 marks. If you understand the sum, then the calculations are easy and you will get the correct answer. Go through with all the steps once again and note it down. Okay, so here we are completed with exercise 13.1, and next period we will start with exercise 13.2. Till then,